all, I am Navya Borah from Guwahati, Assam. I would love to be granted this sponsorship because I believe in the values of Manuhe Manuhar Babe, which is an ideology by Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. It means that a person should care for another person because in the end, this kindness is one of the only major happiness that is present in our world. If I am granted this sponsorship, I shall happily pass it on to somebody who is in dire need of financial assistance to get access to the wonderful opportunity of Seven Sisters Conservatoire. Thank you.
The sunrise wakes the lark to sing, the moonrise wakes the nightingale. Come darkness, moonrise, everything, come so ye wake the nightingale. Make haste to mount our wistful moon, make haste to wake the nightingale. Let silence set the world in tune and hearken to the nightingale. O herald skylark, stay thy flight, one moment for a nightingale floods us with sorrow and delight. Leave us tonight, the nightingale. Make haste to mount our wistful moon, make haste to wake the nightingale. Let silence set the world in tune and hearken to the nightingale.
Thank you.